The Vassar Institute for the Liberal Arts is a space for bold thinking, shared purpose, and meaningful collaboration. It is a public classroom where faculty and students work side by side with community members, alums, and global thought leaders to build new partnerships.
One of the most exciting things about the Institute is being able to gather people of all ages, all backgrounds, to focus on particular problems that are pressing global needs.
The Institute's signature programs unite Vassar faculty and partners locally and nationally to engage and address urgent and emerging challenges in innovation, social impact, and broad questions of societal import, sparking dialogue, hard questions, and practical solutions.
We're forward-looking. And when you come up those stairs to the Institute, this is where the future lives.
Beyond the signature programs, our Education Summit convened educators, researchers, and policymakers to tackle the pressing issue of college completion rates, while Exploring Vietnam marked the 50th anniversary of the end of the war, bringing together historians, journalists, and veterans to reflect on the legacy of the war. Since its launch, the Institute has become a gathering place for our community, welcoming local leaders and organizations for events, meetings, and collaborations. From the Dutchess County Economic Development Council to the Women's Leadership Alliance, these partnerships reflect our ongoing commitment to connection and collaboration, with more to come. It's an opportunity for folks who know Vassar and for those who don't know Vassar to get to know our incredible faculty, our students, our alum, and to really grapple with the incredibly complex but motivating ideas that are important for self-sufficiency, for self-fulfillment, and for humankind's betterment over time. Solving today's challenges requires more than expertise. It takes looking back and looking forward. It takes a diverse group of people willing to learn new things and rethink what's possible. And it takes a community coming together to advance conversations that inspire new ideas, deepen connections, and fuel change. All here at the Vassar Institute for the Liberal Arts.